Hello, you're welcome to our kitchen. Guys, you're welcome to our kitchen. Her name is
Tiwa.
My name is Tone. And today we're making mug cakes. Different flavors. We have the chocolate chip flavor, we have the cookies and cream flavor, and we have the birthday cake sprinkles flavor. And these are the mugs we'll be using. Here, this is our flour. Take yours and put it into your mug.
This is mine.
Tiwa, this is your mug. So hold this and put it inside here. Good job. Okay, so put it aside.
Okay.
And this is the sugar.
Is
the sugar. So pour the sugar inside.
Okay.
Good.
Feel good.
So this is your baking powder, and we're gonna add it as well. So put your baking powder. Add in our milk. It's gonna be 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and
3. And
so let me do mine.
Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3.
and 3. And then our oil. So hold this.
Okay.
We need to put the spoon. You're gonna pour it into your batter. It has to be 1. So put it in. Good job. And then this is mine.
Okay. 1.
Yes.
Mine and 1 makes 2. And do we mix?
So put your vanilla essence.
Okay. Essence.
Good.
Okay.
Put your sprinkles. And I am putting my chocolate chip.
Okay.
And now we stir.
Okay, stir, 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 stir.
Make sure you stir it real good.
Real good. Stir,
So
stir,
stir it.
stir, stir, stir. Mommy, look at Mayo.
Wow. It just changed its color.
I love yours.
Really? Thank you.
And it worked.
So are you stirring it well?
Oh, it's so cute.
So show our viewers. Show them how it looks like. So you see, this is mine.
And this is mine.
And that is hers. You see the sprinkles have kind of changed the color. It's almost like a strawberry color.
Mommy, I can't wait to taste it.
Me too, baby. Me too. So we have this last one to do. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so put the flour.
Flour.
Good job. Make sure you're careful. Put your sugar.
Okay. This one's mine.
Put the baking powder. And you have to put everything because it's measured. And you put your vanilla essence.
Okay.
And then we start with the milk again. So take. It's going to be 1, 2,
2,
and make sure your hand is steady. 3. And 1 milk.
1 milk.
1 teaspoon of oil. Sorry.
Oil.
Yes. Put it in. And we stir. So use this to that has sprinkles there. You don't want to use the one with sprinkles. So stir with this. Make sure you hold the handle and stir it very well.
Stir, stir, stir. Mommy, look, it's working.
Yeah, we forgot to put one last thing. Our cookies, crushed cookies. So stir now. Stir.
Stir, stir, stir. Delicious.
Ooh.
I can't wait to taste this chocolate cookie.
Oh, me too, baby. Ooh, look at the color. Show them. So look at how it looks like now.
Wow.
So we are going to microwave this for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And we'll get back to you and let you know how it goes. We're putting in the chocolate chip.
So
Give me one. So this is the cookies and cream. And this is the sprinkles. I just smell it. Oh my god.
It's delicious.
Oh, ooh, ooh. So we're gonna do 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Welcome
Back. So it's ready. This is it. So you're gonna put sprinkles on yours. Okay, so put it. Sprinkle it on top. Oh, like that chef that was like this. So let us go ahead and taste and let them know how it is.
Mommy, I want to taste mine.
I love mine.
Me too. That sprinkle is yummy.
It's yummy. What of the main cake? Taste it, let me see. You like it?
Do you want to taste it?
Yeah, of course. Just give me a little.
Okay. Here we go.
This is so yum. You want to taste mine too? It is delicious.
Yummy.
I'm going to be doing this like every day. But thank you for watching, guys. Go ahead and make this at home for yourself and your family. The kids would definitely love it. She does, and she made hers, so you can get them to get to work in the kitchen.
Please like, please subscribe.
My next video. Bye.